We're at the Cosmo. We are staying at 3110, and this is a room tour of a king balcony. The door is excessively heavy. There you go. So, nice big mirror as you walk in on the right. On your left, you have a sliding door into the bathroom. You've got a bath. Looks all right, but we don't use them. Very deep though, very deep. And this you can actually see on the other side, and I'll show you in a minute. You can't see, but it's enough. Shower, enough to fit a rugby team. You've got all your normal products in there. You've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is your water closet, stroke toilet. Very dark in there, to be honest. Twin vanity, not a lot going on here. You've got hand wash, body lotion, and in the middle you've got your hairdryer, which I've been told is very good. Mirror, shaving points, lights, more shaving points. Then we go into the main area. A nice large telly on the right hand side with electrical points just below it as well. The wife.
Yeah, I come with the room.
What? So this is the you can see how it's lit up. That's the lights from the bathrooms. You can actually see the shadows if somebody's having a shower, for example, or coming out of the shower. Single chair, a sofa which is excessively soft, 2 tables, another chair, and a nice counter which has got your pen and notepad there, and a very fashionable phone, fashionable light. Now I will say this is as light as it gets in this area, so it's pretty dark. There aren't any other lights you can use. Here is your AC. And you come around to here, stuff you don't touch unless you're excessively rich or very drunk. The bar again, which you wouldn't touch. Then you've got a section in there, you see the freezer at the bottom you could use. However, in this one, you've actually got your own decent sized fridge, so use that instead. A couple of glasses and your ice, some drawers, and then luggage rack. You've got some robes there. Not a great deal of hanging space, not hanging space, but hangers. I'm a bit disappointed with that. If you've got a lot to hang up, and in there you've got your ironing board just here, your iron, some drawers, and obviously your safe. A smaller telly for here. It does rotate by the look of it. Then we turn around. Here's the bedroom, the bed. Either side in the lights, you've got USB fittings. You've got small lights you can see just there, which are, yeah, just like beds. And you're going to open up.
I am going to open up for you.
So this is the balcony. This is on the 31st
floor.
31st. So we're kind of in the middle of everything. Now what you do get is currently filmed at the end of June. You do get the day club still going on, and that's at the front of the building, but you still get it going on round to the side. But it's a lovely area to come out to. So you got a single chair and a table. Another, you got a double with a table and a ashtray if you need it. And then this is our view. So that's the room tour of our Cosmo King balcony suite.